Hello everyone, welcome to my channel One Stop Placement. In previous videos, we have seen how to download and install the latest version of Python. By using the Python shell, we will get the output for each and every line. We cannot run the whole program at once. To overcome this, we have some IDEs of Python to run the complete program at once. So in this video, we will see how to install and download the latest version of PyCharm IDE, and we will see how to run the first program in PyCharm. Now, let us open the browser and type PyCharm download and press enter. You will get the official website from the JetBrains. Click on the first link, then you will get two versions of PyCharm. One is professional and another is community. In this professional is very useful for making web development using HTML, JS and SQL support. And this community is mainly used for pure Python development. If you want to download this professional version, you have to pay some money. For this you have some free trial of 1 day or 2 days. But if you want to download community, it is free and open source. You can download from community version. So in this I am going to show you how to download this community version of Python. We have different types of operating systems to download. If you are using Windows, use this community download. If you are using macOS, go to macOS and use this community download. If you are using Linux, go to Linux and use this community download. In this video I am going to show you how to download this PyCharm in Windows. Then go to Windows and click on this community download. And you will see something is downloading here. After completion of downloading, please open the downloaded file. Please open it. You will get this Welcome to PyCharm Community Edition Setup window. Click on Next and you will get the destination folder. Keep it as default. And if you are using 64-bit, click on 64-bit. And if you want to add some update context menu, you can click on, but you have to use create association.py is the extension for Python. So click on that and click Next and keep this as the default and press install. Installing is going on. After the successful installation of PyCharm, you will get the completing PyCharm Community Edition setup window. Click on Run PyCharm Community Edition and click Finish. After the successful installation of PyCharm, open the PyCharm and click on New Project, and it will ask you to create the name of the new project. After giving the name, you will get this screen. Now we will run small program in PyCharm. Let us take input from the user. I have taken the two inputs from the user and I have to add these two numbers. And I want to print the value of two numbers at the last. This is the program of sum of two numbers. If you type this program in Python shell, after typing x is equal to input of, it will ask the user to give the input at that time. But it in idle, after the execution of the total program only, we will give the input. If we run this code by clicking run here, run main, x is equal to input of, we will give 15. After that y value x is equal to input of, we will give 22. If you give enter, it will print the value 37. That is the sum of two numbers, that is 15 and 22. Thank you.